What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna try to keep this video really quick and to the point because it's extremely cold right now and I'm feeling a little bit under the weather. If you could tell by my voice, I'm super congested and sneezing a lot, but that's not the point. Anyways, my car has been taking a while to start now. I don't know what the hell the problem is. It's probably something with the injectors or something giving fuel. I know that because it's not my starter, because I can hear it crank and it's working perfectly fine. But I bought a new fuel filter and I'm gonna see if that helps at all, because it might just be clogged. It's an AEM fuel filter, so it's a good brand, you know what I mean? Hopefully it actually fucking works and makes my car start up again. I miss driving this. Yesterday I was out at night. I was gonna go get some wings and this thing took like 30 years to turn on and it didn't even turn on, so there was no point. But let's get into it. Alright, this is the fuel filter in question. So let's get it disassembled and actually take it out and put in the new one. Alright, this is actually really simple to take off, to be honest. All you gotta take off is this little nut right here, and then same thing on the bottom. Let me see if I can get you guys under there. Right in there, right there. And then you have to take off a little bolt that's hidden all the way back here. Oh, you can't even see. Oh, maybe right there. See that little bolt right there? You can see it from this side, if it'll focus. There you go. You can see it from there too. It's because this holds on the little bracket that's holding the filter in place. So just to make your life easier, take that off, because you're gonna have to anyways. First thing you probably wanna do is get something to put under, because you're probably gonna have a little bit of fuel come out. And I know yesterday, trying to start this engine, I probably flooded it. So there's gonna be a lot of fuel coming out, probably. Just in case. And the last thing is you don't want fuel in your engine bay. And the last thing is you don't want...
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And the last thing is you don't want fuel in your engine bay anyways. So might as well just keep it clean. So this is the filter I bought right here. This is the model number, just in case if you want it. I bought it on Amazon for like around $13 or $14. I'll put the link in the description if I remember. But I got it here in 2 days. It came with the little O-rings you need, so watch out, don't lose this. And then here's the filter itself. There's a little cap right here that you have to like unplug, and there you go. See? So just remember that. Okay, so I found out this is a 17 mil. So let's see if fuel comes out. Oh, there we go. Oh, I got fuel all over me. I'm gonna leave that in for now. Let's get the 10 mil and take it out from the back. Okay, so I got the 10 mil now. I got a little extension just to see if I could fit it back there. Just loosen it up a little bit. And you can probably take it out with your fingers. If it was warmer, this would probably be a lot easier, because I cannot feel my fingers. And watch it, because there's like two little like tiny washers on there right there, so don't lose those. Now that you can finally take the bracket off, go ahead and just take it off right here, and that's off. And push it down a little bit further so it doesn't like bother you or like scratch you, especially if you're in my condition where it's super cold and anything that touches you really hurts. Okay, so the bottom bolt under the filter is a 14 mil, but I did something really stupid. To be honest, you probably just want to keep the little bracket on until you take off all the bolts, because now it's going to be a little hassle to loosen it up, because this moves a lot now. Now that they're both loosened up, you want to take out this little banjo bolt right here. And remember, this has a little washer on it, so if you want to reuse this you can, but I suggest you just use the ones that they gave you. So put that aside. You can pop this off now, just like that. Put it upright position, maybe like that. And then just unfinish screwing this off. Jesus Christ, look at all that fuel. Oh! Alright, literally, all you want to do now is work backwards. So put this on there. And then get your little hose right there, And it comes with 2 little washers, so one goes on this side and then the other one goes right on top of it, like so. All right, now let's see if there's any leaks. If not, then we're good.
And here we go.
Oh my god, what the fuck? A lot.
From the bottom. Oh,
Oh shit.
well, fuck. I guess we're gonna have to keep tightening it. Alright guys, today's a brand new day, like literally the day after. Yesterday I had a lot of complications. I don't even know what the hell was wrong with my car. Like, it didn't want to turn on at all. I think I drained the battery trying to start it too much. When I took off the filter again to check if I maybe tightened it too much, or I don't even know if that's possible. But mad fuel dumped out. And I think what happened is that the fuel lines, they got air in them or something, and the car wasn't getting gas.